So a few interesting things have happened over the last few years. I think the most notable one is regulation. So post-COVID, the National Payment Systems Act came into play. So far, I think there are over 30 companies that are licensed in Uganda. But as you can tell, it's early days, and we are all just trying to figure out how to operate in a regulated environment. So I think that's one of the big things that happened. The second thing, of course, is like the market awareness, the market of the products, of what we do became more obvious, right? Like before, guys would be like, oh, but why don't I just walk to the bank, right? Why do I need you guys? So post-COVID, the entire market just became aware of the fact that you can transact from home, you can transact anywhere in the world, you can do business, and you don't have to be in a physical location. So I think that has also been a big trend. And I think the third major trend that we saw was a larger willingness for companies to partner with each other, corporates and startups. I think you saw that we did like a big visa partnership, post-COVID. So that was huge for us. But partnering again as well with telecoms, banks, other fintechs to create what I would say are like really world-class products has become easier over the last few years. Yes. What we realized was a gap in the market, and which we've gone hard after, is that, and again, I'll just reference COVID, right? Businesses needed to continue to operate, right? And the guys who were having the biggest issue were the finance department, right? Because finance departments, you need to pay your teams, you need to pay your suppliers, you need to pay other beneficiaries, and you can't just do it ad hoc, right? You can't just say, come to my home, I'll give you cash. There needs to be policies around who initiates, who approves. There needs to be paperwork. There needs to be workflows. The data needs to flow back into your ERP. So what we've done over the years is build a product really that targets businesses, but also specifically targets finance departments to make their B2B payments easier, to also make sure that their B2B payments are following policy best practice for finance operations, and that they're able to report like easily, right? Like it's not too difficult. Yeah. Anywhere, everywhere, you don't have to be in a physical location. Wherever you are in the world, whatever time of day, you're able to do it.